Yeah, Jamaican. Oh, Jamaican shore fishing. You seen that, guys? No, I didn't like the small one. Yeah, from Yam. Yeah, guys, Yam got something on the line, guys. This is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Snapper, baby! That is it! Woo! Jamaican shore fishing. Woo. Look at the size of this guy. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. We're outside, guys, and we at it again. We at it with Yam, and we got Brian in the building. Najir's in the building, guys.
No, not building. No.
And we're about to hit the road. More like the water. And we're getting out here today, guys. We're going to do some deep sea fishing today, some trolling, and some other exciting stuff. So stay tuned for this epic, exciting adventure. We are out here. Hey, guys. So we're doing a little bit of trolling here now. Working our way out into the water. Pushing out before sunrise this morning. Got Brian here. Don't go too far, you know. Don't go out to the same distance as me, you know. You have to keep one short and one long, guys. If not, they're gonna tangle up. You understand? Brian swim is not swimming right. He's not swimming good. It's floating on top of the water. That means either the hook is hitched up or something. So we bouncing, yeah, and we doing our bounce. Are you that? Tarpon. Fish on, guys. Tarpon. Got a nice tarpon, guys. Woo! He flipped up out of the water, guys. Grab that bad boy. Woo hoo hoo hoo! Green tarpon too. Yeah, Jamaican. Oh, Jamaican shore fishing. You seen that, guys? I got aerial, guys. Where you going? Where you at? That bad boy got hooked. There's 3 hooks on this lure. Woo! Nice tarpy, guys. Look at this bad boy.
Y'all keep him?
Yeah, we're gonna keep him. No, I didn't like the small one. Yeah, from Yam. Ah, shit, Brian.
Lick him, man. Slide off, man.
Damn it, guys.
Good luck to let her come.
Judge your God. Ah. That was my first tarpon for the year. With tarpons, what I do, I just send it. Look, you see as the gill open up, just go and send it right through the gill, man. Then can't come off of that. Once the gill get knocked, then can't move again. Hey guys. Huh? I catch kingfish and mackerels all the time. Huh? That boy grabbed that lure, boy. That 3 hook. That 3 hook was a mission, man. That 3 hook on that lure is hitting. He hit that bad boy good too. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's that bullshit. Yo, bro. My first catch in the morning, guys, at 6:40 in the morning, we hooked up. Hooked up on a nice 5-pound tarpon, you know. At least 5 pound that, you know, bro.
A mistake, man, on purpose. Don't try.
Bro.
I don't purpose, man.
Bro, I feel like I had a wet dream and that shit didn't come true.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, I like catching the hookups. When the rod bends down. These are exciting parts of the videos. Yeah, guys, doing a bit of jigging here.
It's 100.
God damn. John, guys. Yeah, I'm got fish on. It's fish?
Let's go again.
You got it? Still, Yam got it on? Yeah, guys, Yam got something on the line, guys. This is what's up, Jamaican Shore Fishing out here. Yeah. Find him. Get him, bro. He's shaking? You feel the shakes? He let it go?
Yeah.
What is this now? My hitch. Hitch up. That's not a hitch. I feel like it. Oh man, popped off, lost that jig. Oh, I think I got a fish on. I got a fish on my line.
Fish or rock?
I feel like fish.
Fish or rock? Fish or rock? What is going on? I feel nothing good. I feel nothing so far.
How deep this thing there, you know? No way this line is so... You understand, Yam? No, fish is on, bro. I knew there was a fish on. I felt that, man. I felt the fish on, man. I felt you, baby. That's right. Snapper, baby! That is it! Woo! Yeah, baby! That is it. I feel that you can.
Come on. Action time.
Yeah. That's right. Dinner is served. Yes, Sunday dinner, baby.
Yellow eye, golden eye snapper, yeah?
Gold eye, yellow eye.
Eye snapper.
Yeah. Well, correction, guys. Yellow eye snapper. Look. Whoop whoop. That is it, guys. Look at this. Rest that here for a second. That's how I put your on the back. Okay. Hey guys, so setting the deep drop rig. We got 5 hooks on here, all baited up. Got the light on it. We got the Takana 1000 reel. About to send it down. So this is what's up, guys. Outside, yeah, Daiwa Takana. It's that Japanese name, alright? That's it, guys. All the way down there. Deep. So we just caught a yellow eye snapper a while ago, so most likely they're in the area biting. So that's what's up, guys. Outside, Jamaican shore fishing. Clark Legacy 876 and the Not a Ross. That is it, guys. Now come out here and not catch fit a Ross. Not a Ross, guys. That's how we say in Jamaica. Let's get back to the reel. Reel's going down still. Yeah, I'm just keeping it steady. Yo, to pull that snapper from that far by hand, bro, that was not, boy. That I felt the head shaking, and when I felt the head shake, I'm like, oh, you bugger. That explains why the line was so heavy, because from my line dropped, he grabbed it. And I hold shrimp, I put money, you know, with the head and everything, you know.
A nice fish, though.
Yeah, it's a nice fish, bro.
With a deep.
Yeah, yellow eye snapper, guys.
How much deeper than that?
So, yep, that's it.
Take it out 5 bottom, in case it drops in a little mud. You let it back down.
I'll make you feel a touch, and then lock him back. I want to clean up a little bit, Yam. Yeah. And you always cost me about wash my gears.
This reel wasn't using for a good while.
Okay, that's why I corroded.
Put the reel on the rudder recently.
Okay, I was gonna bring the other one with me, the new one with me this morning, but so when you see that thump, look a bit, that's how you know they hit it. You want to see that thump? Boom, boom. You see it when they thump.
We are out here. Anyway, I'm checking the light, I walk to right.
Grass. When that team they look, not true. When they go down there, come on, not true.
Yeah, when they touch water.
Yeah. It's supposed to be.
I get light.
Yeah, I seen it. Yep, it's getting hit. Hit.
Then load up, man.
Hit.
Nice.
Hold on. I seen 2 of them hit it. One more again right there, just hit. You feel him? Hit again. You see that? Hit. This is what I can't take right here.
Sometimes I bounce off. Yeah.
What I normally like doing when I'm sitting on the boat with the line,
It look
I keep my yeah.
look
It's
like
getting hit.
some on it.
It's getting hit. I feel it. I like keeping my yep hit. It's getting hit.
Yeah, remember.
Yeah, guys, coming up pretty deep. So just got the line coming up. I seen some wicked hits on it a while ago. I think we got a couple of snappers coming up. Let's see what's up Jamaican shore fishing. Should have a few snappers coming up on this.
Alright, on the way up. Let's see what's there.
Coming up pretty far, guys. We got 160 feet left. $85.
Color.
Yeah, two of them, bro. Double whammy.
2 yellow eye.
That is it, guys.
1 bone fin. Yeah, 1 yellow eye, 1. I get this like black fin.
Hey. Oh shit. Oh shit.
First fish of the trip.
All right. Give me some drag loose there, buddy. These boys are coming from deep. Unsquid. A shrimp, man, I used to.
Sleep, you sleep. Yeah, man, we catch oil.
Get two snapper just now.
No, the gravel have retired.
Oh.
Oh, you have gravel? You took gravel for seasickness?
Yes, sir, I did.
Yeah, the person may have the close water bottle.
Going down again. Ready?
Hello, familiar. One with a little black corner and fin. Black fin. The vermilion is. I will call them Alright, going down again.
In the palm, come up with circular hook.
I have the
Working electrical reel coming up, guys. Technology in fishing, Jamaican shore fishing. This is what's up. This is how we do it.
I have the arm, but you just have to put it. Yeah. I have the main part. You just have to put it.
We aim for the species we want to catch. That is it. Watch that bad boy work.
That's how you do stuff that I do, sir.
Yeah, when I wind up thing. When I wind up farm bottom thing. We go Daiwa. I know that was a good hit. That's a nice sized fish that hit that line a while ago. Hey, even those snappers hit hard. What? 58% battery left. Yeah, it's starting to get choppy now. Yeah, I don't think we want to stay out on this choppiness. I don't want to get seasick today. Ooh, nice big boy. Nice big boys. Nice big boys. Look at this. You come here, you little snapper, you. Oh, that's right. Got some snappers again, guys. This is what's up. Fishing with Jamaican shore fishing. That's how deep they coming for. The airbag pop out of their thingy like. Last time me and you went fishing with deep drop line and we caught so much barrels and friggin' yellow eye that day, we went home nice. Everybody went home with real good amount of fish. Yeah. Put like a backing on it. So it's hard to come off. But they taking off the squid too. They taking the squid clean off and we double pinning them. All right, time to go back down again. Yeah, the next set of bait. Yeah, guys. Oh shit, Brian almost fell off. All right, we're gonna reset this thing and pull on the power lever. Get the bad boy powered on and let it rip. And that's it. Jamaican shore fishing. We sending it down again, waiting for the next bite. I was sitting not talking it on my camera, but coming up again, guys. I hope there's one on it. I felt him knock it. That's why I let it wait for a little bit sometime. I don't rush to take it up right away. Wow. Two of them.
Two more nice ones.
Alright, guys. Wait, gaff there.
Black fin.
Pass the gaff, give me that, Brian. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Got two more of these.
Still no touch.
Alright. Try not to get myself hooked here. And get these bad boys in the boat. Got two more in here, guys. I know you guys are snapper. I would never put my hand in your mouth. You crazy? Yeah, I got bit by a snapper already. That shit ain't funny. Bit line.
Search to it. Look like them again. I move one now. And I move so far between the spots.
Yeah, guys, so going back down again.
Them man like 50. Probably the boat and look. Even big fish, you know.
Big fish.
But it catches fire and still in the field. And we spend a whole heap of hours out there to put up with.
Yeah. Yeah, bringing them up again, guys. Coming from pretty deep. A man over there just caught a wahoo a while ago, trolling, and the hook's onto a wicked wahoo. Wicked catch that is, guys. That's one of my dream fish to hook onto right now. Battery is low on this camera, Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned. What do we have on the magic line? 90 feet, you coming? Where's ya? I don't see him, not yet. Yeah, I see it, he's coming. Nice fish on the line, guys. Nice fish. Nice yellow eye. Same size as the first one, I don't know.
No, man, that's smaller.
That's smaller. The first one was a knocker. The first one that I caught was definitely a knocker. Well, good part about this is after these fish come all the way up here like this, even if they fall off the hook, they're not going anywhere. You just got to gaff them and bring them back in. Oh my God, this one's coming from... He looked like an alien. Good? Ready, Yam? Yeah. I can go? Take your time, take your time. Coming up, guys. That's about 300 feet coming up, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get up here. But once it gets up, you'll see it firsthand. Here, guys. See what we got in the magic box number 1. Let's see what's going on Jamaican shore fishing. We're gonna move again. Oh, Brian, line up bait. Yeah. That's right. 39 feet and cranking. We got something on here, guys. Fish on, guys. Yeah. Spitty out. Nice one, guys. Yeah, it's a small one, but yellow eye snapper, dinner size. Dinner size snapper, guys. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Hey, Brian. One more for the box. Why, boy, you watch your teeth, them, you know, see big old vampire teeth, them now out. The thing is that we can't put them back coming from so deep because they're gonna die. You'd have to literally stick a needle in their damn ear sac, deflate them. It takes a long ass process to do that. So we got another one, guys. Yeah. Brian, if you get bait ready while me put in the fish. Take up the bait, brother.
Film the fish. I want to get ready as soon as the motor stops. Put on pressure for the fish and bring him in. Jerry, reel up the fish. You are the reel.
See, you make the captain cuss me now. Yo, brother, yo. Yo, listen me, man. Don't make the captain cuss me on the boat, sir. And do what you have to do, sir. So, yo.
Ready. Right now,
watch out.
Drop him. You know what to do, Jerry? I don't want to put the camera up somewhere there, so when we come out for the test, so I just like walk and nobody will worry about the camera.
I cap it. I cap it.
You have to look on your foot on your fish, man.
No one cap your cost me today now.
Tell us how you move.
Adventurous living. I can't go on your boat go work. Cause I don't cost me for video into. Bro, them see pretty well who are laid on my boat at that.
Wow, beat up the bait and whatever. A striker, man, I like it. And if I catch the smoke them pan for the river.
Come in, you done?
Are you sure right now? Yeah. 3D. 3D. Watch it. Yeah. Ready again. Oh, I'm shore fishing your name, you know, that's why I'm yeah. Yeah, the water still kind of line up, still and grass. How you feel up there? Oh. You don't know what that is?
Ah,
Nice.
I bone up in nice one.
I get some
Vitamin E.
vitamin
E.
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 E at the even know it's E.
Vitamin E is from the sun.
I told Jerry no one on E.
No, I am not taking no vitamin D. I'll take vitamin S. I'll take the vitamin S. I will not be taking no vitamin D. Why? The thickness of line where I go down the corner and fish grab it and cut it. Me blows and skirt. Not normal, guys. Hey guys. Got him. Something big, guys. Look at this. Look at this rod. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, operate this, yam.
No, the grab.
Or something cut the line down there earlier, bro.
Wow, cut line.
Yeah.
Cut line.
Working the hell out this reel right now, guys. Coming up. Imagine if you had to wind this by hand, Brian. He blows on skirt. Am I running, you know? Am I running, you know? Am I running, yeah? Yep, running, guys. Look at that rod tip. My fight, man. Electrical reel holding him just like that. Yeah, my take line your fight. Haha. Work it, baby, work it.
My tilt way over. That way over here, man.
Everybody over here, sorry, I'm going to shift the weight. Shift to my weight. That's why. Yeah, guys. So, we got something big on here. Well, how much feet? 130, 120. Can't see it yet. Where is he at? There he go. I see him. I see him. I see color. I see color.
big barra. Oh, wow.
It's a big ass barra, Brian.
Barra, that's a big ass barra.
You get him 9 gil. Get him. Come on. Catch him 9 gil, Brian. Bring him in. Bring him in. Holy shit. Let me give you a hand, Jan. Look at this. Bam! Woo! Yeah, baby! Jamaican shore fishing. Woo. Look at the size of this, guys. Holy shit. This is the biggest barra we ever caught yet. PB? Jamaican shore fishing. Look at this. That is it, guys. God damn. This boy is fat. Ah, let's get that in there. Inside. All right, guys, battery's about to die, so this is it. We're about to go home, cleaning up, Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned. Bless up yourself. We are out here, guys.